I'm going to show you an example of some of the stuff that you could possibly get in a jumbo mystery box. Of course, they're all different. No two boxes are ever alike. So this one's got a 12-inch Stamperia scrapbook paper pad. Yours might too, or it might not. You never know. We've got a washi pad. We've got some wooden shapes, these nice die-cut shapes. That's all Stamperia stuff. We carry a lot of Stamperia because it's great stuff. So this one's got a pack of die cuts in it. So this is a jumbo box. It measures 13 inches by 13 inches by 2 inches deep. Here's some A4 rice papers. We've got lots of beautiful A4 rice paper designs. And again, they're all going to be different each month and even per box. We've got a nice big 8 by 10 stencil in this one. Some more rice papers. There's often quite a lot of rice papers in a jumbo mystery box because you guys love, love, love your rice papers. This one's a decoupage queen. We got some Stamperia ones, some European Excellency, maybe some ITD. This one's from Ninny's. This is a big A3. So the point of a mystery box is to encourage you to step out of your creative comfort zone and possibly try some things that you wouldn't necessarily have tried before. You might surprise yourself. And of course, if there's anything in here that you don't know how to use, we're always happy to answer any questions you might have. This is an acrylic spray paint, really cool stuff. We got some acrylic Allegro paints in here in this one as well. Sometimes we put infusion tester paints because it's not all just old stuff that we couldn't sell. There's all kinds of goodies in here. These Ciao Bella tissue papers are absolutely gorgeous, and these are pretty much brand new, but I want you to try them. These are really big too. We got some wax seals in this one. And of course, there's going to be a lot of napkins. So in a jumbo box, there's often maybe around 30 pairs of napkins, but it could vary, and the napkin designs are going to vary a lot too, and the themes, and so I'll just show you some of them. But yeah, so mystery boxes are only available on the 26th of each month, and they often sell out in the first few hours of the day. So you'll want to make sure that you're subscribed to our mailing list so you get the notification once mystery box day is here, and or you can go on our website and there's a little black notify when available button underneath out of stock products, and if you click on that, you can enter your email address to get an automated notification the moment that an item like the mystery boxes is restocked. And then you're going to want to head on over to ninnysnapkins.com as quickly as possible and snag your mystery box before they disappear for another month. But so there you can see lots and lots of napkins. And the value of the mystery boxes is guaranteed to be double what you paid. So a jumbo mystery box is $150 Canadian, approximately $110 US, somewhere around there depending on the current exchange rate. But there's $300 Canadian at least value inside of this box. We also have regular size boxes. Jumbo is the biggest. We have regular size, and we have mini boxes as well.